For many customers, hygiene and sanitation are every bit as important as accurate weight. Companies in the chemical, medical, and food and beverage industries rely on clean, hygienic scales in order to provide safe and compliant products and services. But just how hygienic is your scale? Is your washdown process cleaning the scale as efficiently as it should? You've heard of stainless steel, but have you wondered what benefits it actually provides? Well, at one of our suppliers' manufacturing facilities, proper preparation of stainless steel is one of the ways they ensure scales are durable and protected from contamination. In one of the final steps of production, B-TEK scales are placed in a blast booth, where fine pellets of steel, also known as steel shot, are blasted to cover the surface of the scale with a smooth and even finish. Why choose a stainless steel scale? The B-TEK blast booth method provides better coverage and protection of the scale by fully coating the scale with an impervious finish that's easy to clean and designed to withstand harsh environments and chemical exposure. Their proprietary process results in a superior scale that's easier to clean. Here's some reasons why. Chemicals can eat through carbon. By covering the scale in an impermeable finish, the weight-bearing metals are protected from damage that could be done over time through exposure to air, water, chemicals, and contaminants. Smooth surface is easier to clean. Stainless steel provides an impeccably smooth surface that makes the washdown process faster, easier, and more effective, thereby reducing chances for contaminants to become trapped in the nooks and crannies of a non-finished scale. This is especially critical for scales used in food processing and medical environments. Designed for the harshest environments. Stainless steel is widely known for its resistance to corrosion. After going through the blasting process, B-TEK scales are prepared for use in the harshest environments, from chemical exposure to the dirt and grime found in outdoor applications. Who needs a stainless steel scale? Many customers can benefit from the superior stainless steel finish. We often recommend stainless steel blasted scales for customers who require longer lasting scales. Stainless shot protects scales from exposure to damaging elements. Increased rust protection. Stainless steel offers excellent corrosion resistance. Less contaminates. Stainless steel is an ideal solution for customers requiring superior antibacterial standards. Washdown environments. Stainless steel finishes are ideal for scales in an environment that requires frequent washdown. Is a stainless steel finish scale right for you? For more information, contact us by visiting centralcarolinascale.com or by calling 919-776-7737.